Hello friends, have you ever landed on a website where you couldn't understand the language? It can happen to anyone, whether you're studying, working, or just browsing the web. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Google Chrome to instantly translate any web page into a language you can understand. Let's dive right in. First, let's open the Google Chrome browser on our device. Here, I am searching for a topic, and as you can see, the results have loaded in English. Now, let's assume I'm not comfortable reading English and want to view this content in a different language. To translate this page, I'll go to the top right corner and tap on the three-dot menu icon. This opens up a list of different options. From this menu, we're going to select the Translate ... option. And there you have it. Just like magic, the entire web page has been translated into another language, in this case, Polish. Chrome automatically detects the page's original language and translates it for you. A new translation bar has appeared at the bottom. From here, you can tap the Settings gear icon to access more options, like changing to other languages or setting Chrome to always translate pages in English in the future. If you want to switch back to the original page, you can simply tap the English tab. It's that easy to toggle between the original and translator versions. Using this incredibly simple feature, you can now explore and read content from anywhere in the world, breaking down language barriers and opening up a new world of information. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.